Today we are going to learn how to create a smooth newspaper scrolling effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, I'll bring a newspaper picture into the timeline, then we'll increase the scale of the picture, then adjust the position to where we want the effect to start. You can use this effect anywhere you like, but we have fixed the position here. Next, we will go to the effect panel and search for the transform effect. Apply this effect to the picture layer. Now go to the effect control panels and decide where you want to apply this effect. Since I want to add the effect at the beginning of the video, I'll move to the start. After that, we'll turn on the position keyframes and move a few frames forward. Dragging the picture down. Once that's done, we'll select both keyframes and apply ease in and ease out. Then we will bring the two lines closer together to make the animation smoother. Now if I play it now, you will see that the effect has been applied smoothly. To make it even smoother, we will set the shutter angle to 200% to add a motion blur effect. Lastly, we'll add a marker point to make it look more attractive. I've already created a marker point earlier, so I'll just place it here. Now if I play it, all the effects will be visible together. For more exciting video editing tips and tricks, check out our previous videos. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notification for more upcoming videos.